Good morning, dear students of class 8, and today we are going to discuss the civics chapter 1, the Indian Constitution. Okay, so last video we have discussed about so many things, and today our discussion part is drafting of the Indian Constitution. Drafting of the Indian Constitution. So, drafting means how Indian Constitution, that means a group of people actually made the Constitution. So, a group of people who sit together and draft or frame the Constitution. Okay, they have to write something, they have to write the laws and rules and regulations. So, a group of people sit together and they draft the Constitution. That is the drafting. In 1943, Congress put forth the demand for a constituent assembly by would only have Indian members. So, in 1943 actually, Congress put forth, F-O-R-T-H, put forth means put out the demand. So, Congress actually asked the demands. Okay, for what demand they had? They had the demand for a constituent assembly which would only have Indian members. So, they asked for or they demanded for constituent assembly, and only Indians were the are the members of that assembly. It was finally convened in December 1946 with Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So, what is the meaning of convened? Convened meaning is come together. So, it was finally convened in December. So, actually they come together in 1946 with whom? Dr. Rajendra Prasad as its president. Between December 1946 and November 1949, see 300 members. So, I have told that a group of members they sit together. So, here 300 members worked regularly to draft the Constitution of India. So, there are 300 members, they preparing the draft of the Constitution, they preparing the frame of the Constitution of India. Free India was envisioned to be a democracy where there would be no discrimination and everyone would have equal rights. So, what has actually written in our Constitution that everyone would have equal rights and there would no be discrimination between any people. Okay. And what is the meaning of envisioned? Envisioned means imagine. So, free India was imagined. That means India was free that time. Okay, so free India was envisioned. So, the free India was imagined to be a democracy where there would no discrimination. So, in this democratic country there is no discrimination, we know. So, no discrimination and everyone would have equal rights. That means every people have equal rights. Every citizen would participate in the functioning of the government. So, whatever function arranged by the government, all people can be taken part in the government's function. So, that means there is no discrimination. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, father of Indian Constitution. Okay, so question is, who is known as father of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, father of Indian Constitution, was the chairman of the drafting committee. So, in one hand, he is known as father of Indian Constitution, and as well as he is also the chairman of the drafting committee. It took 2 years 11 months and 17 days. So 2 years, 11 months and 17 days. Okay. So what? To draft the constitution. So 30 members, they sit together and make a frame of the constitution. In how many days? They have taken 2 years, 11 months, 17 days. It was approved on 26 November 1949. So after the total taken the year, and they sit together and frame the drafting, and after 2 years, and it was actually approved in particular which date? 26th of November year 1949. After a lot of brainstorming, seasons and hard work, that means after a lots of hard work, they came to this platform and they draft their constitution. Okay. Now our next point is problems faced during the making of constitution. Yes. So when we make something new, we have faced so many problems. Like suppose the very common example I am giving you, that when we have started the online class, we also get some problem, faced some problem, and students, you also faced so many problems. First problem was the network issue. Second problem was the apps. Okay, one by one, so we have installed, and how it will work, how we will send our question answer paper to the class teacher. So this arrangement, when we will start it, we have faced so many problems. So here also problem faced during the making of constitution. So when the 300 members, they sit together and make a plan, make an idea, and after that they draft or frame the constitution, they had also faced so many problems. The framers faced, okay, those who are framed the constitution, actually those who draft the constitution. So the framer faced a lot of challenges while drafting the constitution. First, India was a country of diverse communities who spoke diverse languages. First one, that there are so many peoples who are used or spoke different types of languages, followed different religions, and had their own distinct customs and traditions. So these all problems have faced the framers. Okay, the framers had to keep in mind the diversity of people. So only this sentence they kept in their mind, that diversity of people. Let us see what the other problems they have faced. So these are the other problems they have also faced. First one, political unrest and partition of India was imminent. Okay, so they have faced this problem. So that means unrest means disturbance. So they have faced political disturbance. What actually happened at that time? Partition of India, when India got divided, at that time whatever problem they have faced. There were many princely stated means neighbor state. Okay, there were many princely stated whose status were not decided. It was unclear whether they would integrate with India or remain independent. This is the second problem they have faced. Now the third problem, this is the maintaining unity by preserving diversity was another great challenge. So their third problem was they have faced maintaining the unity. Okay, by the preserving diversity was another great challenge. And the last one is the framers had to focus on socio-economic reform. So they tried to reform the socio-economic part in our country, as those who are the poorer, they not faced any problem, or to eliminate poverty. Actually they tried to eliminate the poverty from our country, and for that reason they focused on say socio-economic reform, that how means how in our country can means in reform this part, socio and economic part. Okay, so these four problems, the other problems faced by the framers. So students, this picture already have in your book also, that he is the father of our Indian Constitution, B.R. Ambedkar, and he is Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and the framers of the Indian Constitution, they both are the main framers of the Indian Constitution. Nevertheless, the framers drafted a constitution that emphasized people's role in the formation of government. Okay, so nevertheless, the framers, nevertheless means in spite of that. Okay, so in spite of that, that means they have faced some problem, but still, okay, here means the still the framers drafted a constitution. So they have faced a lots of problem, still they drafted the constitution that emphasized people's role in the formation of government. That means still they have made the drafted the constitution, and it was actually that people's role in the formation, that that means it have the value. Okay, people's role, people's drafted the committee, it was the valuable thing, so it was given a great value to the people's role in the formation of government. Those who format the government, they have very essential or important role. Our constitution, which came into effect on 26 January 1950. Okay, so lastly and finally it was came an effect, and when it was effected on 26 January 1950. Is the longest and the most comprehensive constitution in the world. Since the adoption of the constitution, India has undergone major changes and faced many challenges in political, social and economic areas. So, since adaptation of constitution, so when our country adopted the constitution, India has undergone a major changes. So after that, India actually huge changes have seen in the India. Okay, and faced many challenges in political, social and economic areas. After that, economic earners. But from time to time, changes were made in the constitution by making amendments in the existing law. So, but slowly, time to time, when time is coming to time, actually it was changed, and where it was made constitution by making amendments. So, what is the amendments? Amendments, actually it is a change or an addition to the term of contract, a law, a document. Okay, so this is the actually amendment. So constitution by making amendment, you can say constitution make a document, make a law, okay, to the existing law. Whatever law is existing at that time, once that they have amendment. So this part is completed. Now our next part is the preamble of our constitution, and this is very much important part. So students, this part we will discuss in our next class. Okay, so thank you. Stay happy and stay safe. Thank you.